GPG359 screwing clamp exchange. Remove the 6 screws below. Secure the matching screwing clamp back into place. Replace with cap locking heads for 5-liter and 10-liter round bottles. Pay special attention. Convert the open state to the clamped state. Reduce the gap. Click to close and latch the lid. The locking cover closes. If the gaps are inconsistent, loosen the bottom part. Left-right adjustment. Tighten the screws once you think it's ready. If you feel it has not been adjusted properly, loosen it and then make fine-tuning adjustments. These screws are basically on the reverse side, therefore, it needs to be disassembled from the bottom. Remove this lock cover. This is what it looks like after being disassembled. Install the lock-in lid for the small-mouthed bucket now. It is also assembled from several pieces. Pack them one piece at a time. Fix it in place after installation. Click the lock cover clip again. Click to descend. Set the position properly. The locking cover will automatically lock into place after positioning is completed. Tweak this spacing a little more. Secure the bucket in place as much as possible. This way, during automatic filling, when the lid locks automatically, it will pinpoint this position accurately. Open the lock cover baffle bucket. The purpose is to secure the bucket properly. Then fine-tune. Clip it onto the edge of the bucket. Lock. Just lock this.